Do you want to learn how much money do the make money online YouTubers make? That's kind of funny because they teach you, and I'm part of them, how to make money online. But how much money are they actually making? Well, in this series you'll find out. And in this episode you'll learn how much money does Branson Tay make on YouTube. He has multiple channels. He's hitting over 1 million views consistently every month. On some months it can even be higher. 5-figure subscribers a month, and I can tell you right now it's not just the 4 grand that Social Blade tells you he makes. It should be a lot more. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online, and me and my team, I have 2 video editors. We upload over 3 videos every single day. Yes, that's actually 3 videos coming at you every single day. That's over 90 videos per month. The reason we want to do that is we want to take over the make money online niche. That's why you want to vote for us. I mean, subscribe to our YouTube channel with bell notifications on, and also like this video for the YouTube algorithm. And also there's a riddle in the first comment down below. Try to answer it, try to guess it. I'll shout you out if you do. And also comment your Instagram username, YouTube account, TikTok account. I'll just take it and put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, how much money does Branson Tay actually make? He's pulling in very consistent views, right? Over 1 million views, as you can see here. But how much money does he make? So the money you make normally on YouTube is calculated by first figuring out the RPM. The RPM stands for the actual money you get paid per 1,000 views. For me, for my channel right now, because I'm very transparent, it's $3.76. It's because I have a lot of social media videos. For the make money online videos, it goes to $9. As you can see on this date, I made like $90 in a day. So we want to figure out first how much RPM does he have. According to Social Blade, and I do not believe it's true, he only has around $4. Let's check it out. On the higher end, they are saying he should be making up to $4,200, right? And if we divide this number by this number without the last 3 numbers, we should get around $4 RPM. And this is normally the max Social Blade would give to a channel, but that's not true at all for make money online YouTubers. Some FBA YouTubers might be getting a $40, $30, $20 RPM. My videos are very short. I don't have multiple ads in them. As you can see, Branson Tay's videos are always above 8 minutes. Before, you just needed 10 minutes to have multiple ads or mid-roll ads within your video. Now even 8 is enough. So he should be making $10 easily per 1,000 views. Keep in mind, this is not financial medical advice. Do your own due diligence. This is for entertainment purposes only. But $10, if he's making a $10 RPM, he should be making something along the lines of $10,500 per month on just this channel. It has multiple channels, right? This channel. If we check these 2 channels out, that's an extra 400,000 views or 4 grand and $400. And this channel with 27,000 subscribers, 27,000 views, that's very interesting. So that's an extra $270 with an RPM like that. So he should be making $10,540 from his first channel, because my calculator went off, plus $4,400 from his second channel, plus $270 from his third channel, at least 15 grand a month. That's my estimation. Branson, if you're watching this video, let me know if that's true per month on YouTube. And it's reasonable for the effort he does, because he's uploading a lot of videos. Appreciate the effort. A video a day keeps the doctor away. This is the end of this video, but that doesn't mean we have to say goodbye, because there's a few more videos you can watch, like this video, or definitely watch more videos just like this one here, this video. See you next one. Bye.